Hey, what's up guys? I'm Checks Undead. I figured I'd go ahead and do a tutorial before I do my other video where I am recommending all this stuff, just so I can prove to you guys that one, I've used it, two, that I've also eaten the food that I'm going to recommend as well. I think that's the most important part probably. So the thing that we're going over today is Jetboil. I'm going to show you all how to use this. So I already keep my little burner piece on the inside here. You're gonna take the top and bottoms off. All right, so you're gonna start with your legs and your propane. Propane of your choice, anything works. You don't have to use the Jetboil brand. You can use other ones. I've used other ones. I'm just using the Jetboil brand for kind of advertising purposes, basically. Keeping with the brand, you know. So you're gonna open these up, stick it on in there. The last one you gotta squeeze on there a little bit, take your cap off. If you have an older model, remember to pull the little silver handle out. On the newer models, it's just a little twist dial. I don't have the newer model yet, so I don't know if it actually has this or if it's just like a twist, kind of like an oven or whatever. But you know, this is the one that I'm working with. I will get a new one eventually. That's the one that I have listed in the description below, if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up. I highly recommend them, honestly, if you're going camping or anything like that. They work fantastic. So you're gonna open your gas up a little bit, give it a flick. Okay, so I had a bunch of problems trying to get mine to light because it's actually old as hell. So I actually really do recommend getting one of the new ones. I haven't used mine very much, unfortunately, in the last couple of years. So the top burner part is kind of going bad. So, but it's still kicking right now. So there's that. Can't deny that. Go ahead and set this on there. And wait for this to boil. Shouldn't take too long. Let's have a smoke while we wait. Wow, so I'll go ahead and show you guys. It's literally only been like 2 minutes and that stuff's already boiling. I'm gonna let that boil for a second and then we'll go ahead and put it in the bag here. Alrighty, so it's been a couple minutes. Go ahead and shut this off. We're gonna grab our spicy Southwest style skillet. Open this sucker up, take out the thing you're not supposed to eat. And this one needs about 12 ounces. Putting roughly 12 ounces in here. It's not exact. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my God. All right. And each of them have different instructions on the back for how long you gotta let them sit. This one says wait about 5 minutes. I'm gonna stir. Oh, stir carefully, then close the zipper. So me stirring right now, I'm just gonna give her a little, holy shit, that's hot. Them bags do be getting, ooh, it opened a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna set that down, let it cool off for a little bit, let it do its cooking and all that stuff. Then you're also supposed to let it stand for an additional 4 minutes, it says. So while we're doing that, let's go take no smoke. So as I mentioned, I was having some trouble getting it to light before. I think my little nozzle piece to light it went bad, so I did have to use a lighter to actually get it to light. And then just because it's really bright outside and I'm kind of colorblind, I think I was just having some trouble seeing the fire, but it was definitely going. I mean, like I said, it literally got that water boiling in like 2 minutes, like maybe 3 max. Like it was really fast. I literally like went over, lit my smoke, only had like a quarter of the thing, and then like I already heard it boiling. I was like, holy cannoli. So that is still astounding. This is like a, I've had this one for probably 8 years now. So this is an 8-year-old Jetboil, and it still works really good. That just speaks for how well these things will stay like working for years. Like, you know, granted, this isn't the same propane tank that, you know, I've had for that I've been using that whole time, but the cup and the top piece are what I've been using, and they still work to this day, over 8 years later-ish, so, you know, give or take. So I think that really speaks for how well they work. The inside of this is kind of dirty. I probably actually should have cleaned this before I made this video, but oh well. And on the inside here, it's actually got a little marking. I don't know if you can see it on the camera there. It says max safe boil 2 cups. So I guess that's like the line to where you can like max fill it before it'll possibly overflow from you like boiling water. So if you're like boiling water for like 10 minutes so that you can like clean it to be able to make drinking water or something like that, that's probably, you know, something important so that you should know, so that it doesn't overflow and ruin your fire, destroy your thing, and make it really hard for you to be able to continue that process for, you know, whoever knows how long. Dang, this cooled down like really fast too. It's only been like a few minutes and this thing's already cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bottom back on this. See if I can grab this and take it apart. I can. This cooled down really fast. All right, so then just like I was saying before, I'm gonna collapse the legs, collapse that. If I had the smaller one, I would put it inside. That's what I do. I brought the bigger one out today because I have not used the small one yet. And then I just kind of drop that in there, drop that in there. You know, that might be how I ruin that thing actually, is by running around with my backpack on and having this stuff in there, and then it probably like broke the nozzle. That's probably what actually happened. Anyway. And ta-da, there you have your nice little package. Imagine there being like a little tiny, you know, propane tank that is also in here so that you can neatly travel with this in your backpack or whatever. It works super well. Like I said, I've been using this for 8 years, and I have really, really enjoyed it. I've never used this cup. I just use it to basically protect the bottom piece. That's literally all I use it for. I guess you're supposed to use it for like a bowl or something. I guess that's what they kind of had in mind. And they've also got this top for you to be able to use for like drinking and whatever. I don't use that either. Just because usually this thing is pretty hot and then I don't feel like drinking out of it, you know, whenever. And I just, you know, boil water, make food with it. That's all I do. If I'm going out for like an extended period of time or whatever, like a couple days, I usually just bring enough water bottles or something like that, or a big hydration bladder. I usually basically carry enough water to last me the entire time, plus a few sodas, to be honest. So I don't really need to like drink from something like this. But it's cool that they have that, you know, there. Again, though, I just use the lid to basically keep the contents inside and protect them. Checking on this. This thing feels solid as hell right now. All right, so I think it's at least been about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and take a look-see at this. I forgot to show what this looked like beforehand to the camera. I'm so sorry about that. Hopefully maybe you were able to see it. I don't know. I'll check later. Ooh, looky there. Oh man, that smells really good. Look at that stuff. It's still hot as shit right now. It says to also let it sit for another 4 minutes. There are tons of bugs coming over here right now from the smell of it. So I'm gonna take this inside and eat it in a bowl. All right, so back to where we were before the bugs started to attack and ruin the video. I'm gonna continue with the spirit of the video and use the spork that I am linking in the description below if you wanna go ahead and get one of these. These are really cool. It can open up and you've got a knife on the inside that you can also use with the little ferro rod here. I almost forgot what these are called, sorry. I'll be totally honest with y'all. This is actually my first time using this. I just recently ordered this myself. Before I was actually just using normal silverware that I would carry in like a plastic bag and stuff. But but I'm gonna go ahead and try this out because it's gonna be what I'm carrying in my bag from now on. It comes with a little baggie too, this one to be exact, and it fits great in my bag, and I'm really excited about it, so let's go ahead and try this. I've also not tried this one before. I'm used to the breakfast skillet, and there's a potato one that I also really like that I've tried. This is my first time with this one, so let's go. That's a winner. That's a winner. Oh my God, yeah. It's actually got some really good seasoning in it. The flavor's really good. I'm actually not sure. I'm not sure what this stuff is in here. I'm not sure. It's not rice. Is this potato? Is that potato? I'm pretty sure that's potato. I love potato. Oh, it's spicy though. It's spicy. It's kicking now. It's got an after kick. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, it's good though. Oh, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I'm like actually sweating it. You can probably see it on my hat now. Yeah, you can probably see it there. I can't see it, but I can feel it bad. So if you're interested in what I have going on in the background here, I will have a video in the pinned comment below if you want to go check that out. It's over my EDC zombie survival get home backpack. It's kind of a multi-purpose backpack basically to kind of survive at least 2 to 3 days trying to get home kind of a thing. If you're interested in that, go check it out in the comments below. I'm also going to be doing a 72-hour challenge where I eat nothing but Mountain House meals. So if you want to see that, hit the like and subscribe button so that you can see that when it comes out. I am either going to be posting that on this channel or my other channel, Checks Undead. Go subscribe to the other one as well, just so you can stay notified. That way, in case I post it over there or I post it here, you'll be able to see it either way. I do have a variety of content that I'm going to be posting on both channels. A bit of survival content on each one. The Checks Undead channel is more guns and survival stuff focused, but I also want to have some fun over here too. Whereas my Checks Undead channel is mostly fun with a little bit of the extra stuff kind of tied in. I'm going to go ahead and finish my meal and end the video. If you made it to the end, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me as a new content creator. If you could hit the like and subscribe button, that also really, really means a lot to me. It helps me grow, and it helps me know that you guys like this content and you want to see more of it. Leaving a comment would also be amazing. If you could let me know that you like this, what you think of Mountain House meals as well, that'd be really cool. Other than that, stay tuned for more. Have a good one, guys. Bye.